Okay, today we're going to unlock this device in one of the easiest and fastest ways. We'll be removing the screen lock and also removing the Google account. We'll explain both steps in a single method, where we'll bypass the Google account and also remove the password from our phone. What happened was that we changed the password and then forgot it. If that was your case too, don't worry, because in this video tutorial we'll explain everything step by step so you don't miss any details and can solve this problem. This operation, as we've indicated, won't use a PC. This is a completely PC-free method. With that said, first, we'll access the following settings. We'll press and hold the power button until the phone turns off. Once it's completely off, we'll count to 5. After those 5 seconds have passed, we'll press and hold the power button. Then select volume up. When the phone's logo appears, we'll release it, continuing to hold only the volume up button. Once we're in this section, we'll scroll down to where it says Wipe Data. Factory Reset with Power On. We'll scroll down and select Wipe Data with Power On. Then we'll scroll down and click where it says Confirm. We'll click here. Confirm. This will erase all the information from our phone. But what we're going to do is make a few mistakes here and try again. We'll click Confirm again. That's 2 times already. Now we'll do it a 3rd time. We'll click Confirm again. After confirming this for the 3rd time, we'll use our device with Power On, Power On, Power On. Now that it shows us our phone's logo, we're going to press the power button, I mean the volume down button, sorry. We're going to press the volume down button here. We're going to wait about 30 seconds. Then we can release it, since on this device it will enable the following options to bypass that Google account in one of the easiest and fastest ways. As we indicated from the beginning of the video, we're not going to use any PC, a completely PC-free method. Now that our phone has vibrated, well, we can release the button and wait for it to take us directly to the home screen. I'm going to pause this video tutorial since this reset usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Well, our phone has now completely restarted. As we can see, safe mode has been enabled. What are we going to do now? Well, if you have a SIM card inserted, I recommend that you remove that SIM card. Now we're going to press Next, we're going to press Next, Next again. Here it has also been enabled this little airplane icon we have here, which was airplane mode. Now what we're going to do is click here on Skip. We're going to click Skip, then we're going to click here, then here on the little arrow. Then we're going to click here on Skip and it will take us to this section. We're going to click Skip. We click here on Next, Next. Here on the little arrow, here we're going to click on this section, and now we're resetting our device and taking us to the home screen. To be able to remove airplane mode, we just deactivate it here and now. What we have to do is press the power button and 2 remove this safe mode here. What we have to do is restart our phone. When we restart it, it will be completely removed.